Hi everybody, it's Rainbow the 101 here, and as always, it's a haul. And I received a package. You guys could hear all these, huh? Yeah. This is a lot actually, just telling you guys. Let me just start off with the 99 cents. So there's more here. Okay, yeah. I got these at the 99 cent store. It's this. I didn't receive this in the package, so. See? Yeah. And these. This is for hair, but I just got it. I don't like these. I don't like these, but I like these because it's normal sized. And I got this, but I'm giving this to my cousin for Easter. I wanted it, but look. There's kind of mold, so I'm going to tell her to take that out, and then she just got it. So, yeah. That's all I got from the 99 cent store. Now, from a package today. I was so excited, I was like, oh my gosh. The package is in the trash can, but why do I need to show you guys the package? I got 1, 2, 3, yeah, I know. You guys count. I'll just show you. First, I got black. They're like in little baggies like this. So. Black, lime green, caramel, ocean blue, navy blue, ocean blue, but this isn't jelly color. See how this one's jelly and this one isn't? Well, I'll show you in the light. Okay. See the difference? Yeah. White, orange jelly, navy blue jelly, olive green, glow in the dark white. Watch, it glows in the dark, guys. Okay, hold on. Can you guys see it glowing? Hold on. Can't you guys see it glowing? It's glowing. I can see it glowing right now. Can you guys see me? Nope. And I'm right there in the camera, really close. Here it is. Okay, I'm gonna open that. Oh. Okay. Regular purple. Jelly purple. It's like jelly. Difference. Now, I'll scoop more back. Okay. So this is the difference between the jelly. Rose, it's called Rose and it's jelly. Neon orange, fuchsia, turquoise, jelly, dark green, I'll be right back. Sorry guys, my mom wanted me. Let me just charge this. Okay. I charged it while in a video. Okay. I'm not finished yet at all. Clear jelly. Regular orange. green. Wait, yeah, neon green, but not jelly. I'll show you guys the extras later. So yeah, it's extra. Where's the other extra? I think there's one more extra. Sorry guys, I'm trying to find the other extra. Oh, I found the other extra. Okay, I'm fine. Lime green jelly. This is really hard to find. Regular yellow and jelly yellow. Pink, regular pink. Regular burgundy brown. Neon yellow. This is not jelly, of course. Gray. Red. Turquoise, regular turquoise. They kind of look the same. Yeah, they do. And neon pink. The regular pink. They do look the same. Now for the extras. I got extra bands and 30cc clips. These are the jelly kind of rainbow colored bands. And I got the regular ones, extra bands, but regular colored, not jelly. And 72 C-clips in rainbow color. And she included extras in the paper, so extra bands and C-clips. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 11 C-clips. And 5 caramel colors. So that's extra. And the extra bands are the neon colors. And 16 C-clips. So this was the haul. Sorry guys. Sorry guys, I dropped it. But yeah, this is like all of it. Oh, did I show you guys black? Yeah, I did. Well, yeah, thanks for watching guys. Bye!